Are you sick of forking out thousands of dollars and wasting weeks testing new ad creatives only to watch them bomb? But what if I told you that you could legally take a winning competitor's ad and use AI to recreate that ad structure in well under half an hour? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone, remix, and bulk generate viral ads from start to finish, all without ever leaving your browser. Max Fusion AI is a project we'll be checking out today, ladies and gents. And it's absolutely brilliant because you can basically just go to a competitor, for example, pick out a viral winning ad, anything at all, and actually use that structure to recreate it seamlessly with Max Fusion, copying and crafting successful creatives. And if it wasn't obvious already, this is going to massively speed up your turnaround time. From the moment you get that idea to having a finished product, you can start scaling to make a profit. Super efficient. You'll save a heap of time and potentially even more money, not to mention avoiding a lot of headaches. You've got some really handy tools like Banana Clone, Seed Dance 2.0, UGC Blast, Settings Blast, and also Copy Lab, so you can quickly copy winning ads without too much hassle, even when it comes to prompting. And it genuinely helps you create really believable, realistic UGC actors quickly, as you can see with some of the models on the screen right now. Seriously impressive, super realistic. So here's an example of a woman actually on Facebook, Meta, talking about some lipstick, or at least showing it off, basically. So what we want to do is use this as inspiration. Now, remember, we're not actually copying them. We're not going to get into trouble or anything like that. We're just going to go ahead and take inspiration from something that's already successful and use it to basically make our own workflow easier. We're going to hit Copy Lab here. We're going to bring that new project on board. Basically, what we're going to do is just drop that Meta lipstick ad in here. Simple as that. And we'll just hit Start Analysis right now. And just like that, it'll give us the different segments, the different parts of the shot, and the different timestamps. So super effective. It's pulling in your key moments and gives us the summary. Everything's here, fully detailed, so we know exactly how to tackle this situation. So for example, we can go to the first one here and actually select Add to Images. Second one here, we can go in there. We can actually add that to images as well. And maybe we can go for frame 5 and add that to the images too. All right. So let's come over here. So we've currently got these images right here all selected, and we can go ahead and change this over to Banana Clone. We can drop that image in there, and yep, that looks good. Let's go ahead and generate that, and that's going to start generating. So as you can see, they've changed the model here. What I'd really like to point out is the consistency between the actual models and the shots. All right, so we're happy to choose that one to continue, and we're going to click on Riz here, okay? We're going to show you how this one works, basically. Upload that audio. Okay, we can basically choose the voice. So you might want to take some time just to make sure you get that voice right. Okay, that was a manger. So yeah, basically got a summary of the text. We can go ahead if we're happy. Once we're happy, we can generate that audio in Riz. Once we're happy, we can save that audio and we can go ahead and just generate that video. Shows us how many tokens it's going to take, so full transparency, which is really, really good. And we can hit generate on the video.
The perfect lipstick isn't just about colour. It's about confidence, a smooth application, a comfortable feel, and a look that lasts all day. Rich colour, beautiful finish, effortless elegance. Whether you're heading to work, meeting up with friends, or getting ready for a special occasion, this lipstick helps you look and feel your best. Luxury beauty made simple, because confidence starts with the perfect shade.
Wow! I don't know what you lot think, but that was pretty impressive in my opinion. So really good lip syncing, as you can see with the text. The lip movements were spot on. The voice really suited the actual model as well. And the model, in my opinion, was quite a bit more attractive than the previous one they used. I mean, that's just my opinion, but I reckon it's great because at the end of the day, this is marketing, and it's good that they can create these sorts of models that really pull you in and get you interested in the actual generation and the ad. Because honestly, that really had me hooked. That was pretty impressive. So let's head over to the storyboard in the new project section here. And we can basically go here to scene 1 and select an image. Again, just pointing out the consistency between the shots. So if we want to pick that first image there, let's have a look. Okay, let's hit generate all on that. That'll need 400 tokens. We've got our generation there. So again, this is in the storyboard section. We're basically mixing up all the different scenes here, the videos. All right, let's have a look. So as we can see, we've got all the different movements here. Cool. And once you're happy with that, you can just go ahead and download all the media. Pretty impressive, eh? Now folks, just remember you should only be making professional ads that you're comfortable having out there in public, so steer clear of anything to do with pornography, violence, or anything like that, anything that could be offensive. Just make sure you avoid all that and you should be right. And remember, don't just let AI write the whole script without putting in a bit of thought and positioning yourself. Use AI as a tool, but make sure the idea is yours. Make sure you read over it again and check that you're happy with the prompts, the generations, and the scripts before you lock them in and get them out there to start raking in the big bucks with Max Fusion. Stop wasting your budget on creative ads that just don't convert. Click the link in the description to sign up for Max Fusion AI. Grab your tokens and start scaling up your winning ads today.